That's right, you and that's our guest artists for today. They're a neo-jazz band that started off in 2010, and their music has actually been described as quite simply sophisticatedly easy. And as if not to mess around with names, they just call themselves The Fridge. Very good to have these guys here. I want to introduce the band members. Over on my left is Mutusi. He's actually, his name's so nice, you gotta say it twice, Mutusi Tusi.
Exactly.
Right there. I got Sam on my right and Ade. Guys, welcome to the show. Great to have you here. So let's talk a bit about the history of the band. How did you guys get started off, Mutusi?
Actually, The Fridge was started by me and Ade originally because we were playing with someone else.
Yeah.
And then we kind of branched off from that, and it was conceived in 2010. And
yeah.
The rest is history.
And I half expected to have this hectic answer when I asked you, how did the name The Fridge come about? And you say it was how?
Sophisticatedly easy. I mean, the names, we don't want to faff around with that. Let's just get down to business.
Let's get down to business. Very cool. So why did you guys decide to go into this genre of music? I mean, you guys are all young guys, you know.
Yeah.
You should be in the clubs, popping collars and, you know,
rubbing shoulders,
swaggering it and whatnot.
Let's not do that. I mean, we didn't even decide. It was like divine intervention. It just kind of happened very organically, and yeah, we don't say, okay, we're gonna make this type of music, guys. No, don't play like this. But I think we push a certain type of swag.
Yeah, yeah. And I believe that, Sam, you're a very, very passionate singer. In fact, that's like what you do all the time. You wake up singing, you go to sleep singing.
Yeah.
How did singing come into your life?
Well, I started years ago just by watching other people sing, really.
Yeah.
And it's just branched off into me singing.
Yeah. And I heard that in one interview when asked what or who your favorite artists are, you said those who are dead.
Most of the time, you know, I kind of discover artists when they're long gone.
Yeah.
And it's been a kind of a problem with my discovering talent or whatever. Yeah, it's kind of been odd.
It's been odd, it's been odd. And so at the back there on the drums, Ade, you are actually quite the photographer.
Probably, yeah.
Probably. No, that's very modest of you. I mean, you were one of Africa's top 40 photographers.
Yes.
And then what made you decide to switch over into music?
I've always been into music. I mean, going 19 years now. I mean, it was like Tusi said, it was intervention to actually bring these guys together and like, okay, let's do something different.
Yeah.
But the good part was it wasn't planned. So I think that's the organic part about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, great to have you guys. Just quickly tell us about the song that you're going to perform for us first up right now.
It's called Now and Then. It's really paying homage to the new jazz, the coupe, the jazz and novas. Really nice song.
Oh, good stuff. Well, we're looking forward to hearing it on this Monday morning, our motivational Monday. It's The Fridge on Expresso. Take it away.
Samna papa, samna palapa, na papa, danu todo. Samna papa, samna palapa, na papa, danu todo. Samna papa, na samna palapa, na papa, danu todo. Samna papa, na samna palapa, na papa, danu todo. Ya evukekuseni intombi ihambe iyokha amanzi iphinde ibuye phinde ihambe iyotheza inkuni ndalo kumnandi kudala phofu kumnandi nagoku ndalo intombi zakudala zasivuka ekuseni kodwa ezangoku waselali shava nazo busuku bonke ubusuku bonke ubusuku bonke ubusuku bonke samna papa samna palapa na papa samna papa samna palapa na papa dana todo inkwenkwe wavuka kakufeli langa uhambe uyokhapela kama kwa unandi angudala phofu kumnandi nangokuenda ndo amakhwenkwe akudala wayesebenza kodwa ngoku wasebenzi ngona sihlale khoneni sonke khoneni sonke khoneni sonke khoneni sonke samna papa samna papa na papa da Samna papa na samna papa na papa na samna papa samna papa samna papa samna papa samna papa samna papa na da da
Man, the beautiful, smooth, jazz-infused sound of The Fridge on Expresso on SABC3. We will be right back after this.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.